I'm Michael Shelswell with Apex Designs. We're here at the vendor show at Easter Jeep Safari 2022, and we make a few products here. We have the Auto Link. This replaces a standard Swaybar link, even the old school pin style disconnects. You can adjust the height. Works just like that. When you're done wheeling, lock one side, lock both sides, see if you're torqued out or not. Clicks in place, you're ready to rock and roll.
So this like kind of takes place the disconnect.
Yeah, the
system.
old style ones that, you know, you'd have buddies help you lift up or push down. This doesn't matter.
And is this for a JK, a JL, or any
this
system?
Will work. What we have here, this is a JL, but it'll work on a JT, JK, TJ. We've had them on power wagons, anything that you can fit this and it can travel correctly.
So this is the system right here.
Yep, this
with
is
the mounting hardware.
So you reuse your factory axle side bolt.
Okay.
Then connect us to the Swaybar. And then you're ready to rock and roll.
It's easily adapted to just about any vehicle.
It's adjustable. So you can see our height sits between these two ring lands. So you would loosen the jam nut, lift it up, remove one of the snap rings, then move the other one and set it to where you need to. And you're ready to rock and roll.
It looks like it has hard anodized laser etching, all machine, high craftsmanship.
I have the original prototype set. They're 3.5 years old. They look the same, minus some nicks for some rocks that have hit them.
Well, that's really impressive. I'm blown away at this whole device here. So what else you got? Because that's wetted my whistle. I need to know what else you're doing here.
So we have our RPVs. So I've got one in my pocket here, loose, somewhere around here. This is what it comes. We make a long and a short because not all valve stem holes are the same in all the wheels that are out there. So it comes with a Tpms adapter, and we also have a separate set for Asian and European imports because their sensors are a little bit different. Your wheel sits in between here. So there's Vition O-rings, pull up, the air comes out right there. You can put a gauge on here and watch it, but on my 40, 30 to 10, it takes 14 seconds.
So there's no like preset determined amount of air you want to let out. You just kind of let it go.
Yeah.
You already know the deal because it's so simple. You're doing it all the time.
It's so fast, yeah. We even have a little decal that people can put in their door jams if they've forgotten.
There it is. That makes it nice, high and tight.
And you can buy them in 4 singles or 5s. And we actually sell parts pieces. If you had to replace anything, we sell all the pieces separately.
So what kind of customer would be interested in something like this?
Anyone that goes off-roading and lets air out of their tires.
Oh, that's an easy answer there.
Right? And it'll even air up a little bit faster just because of its design. It takes 2 minutes for 10 to 30 with an ARB twin on my 40.
So you mentioned you still have the prototype on this deal.
And I have the first set of these, and they look the same.
They look the same, they still work the same.
Yep. The colors have not discolored, faded, anything like that.
All right, so what else we got?
We have our boost kit. This is for JL, JT. All walks of them, all engine combinations, e-torque, whatever have you. This, we came up with a kit where you can actually increase the pressure output of the electric pump.
For steering?
Yes.
Okay.
So you hear a lot of people saying their steering's not working. Well, they think that this gets hot and it shuts down because there's a thermal safety switch in it. This pump is a sealed pump from the factory because the Jeep Fords.
This is the factory unit right here.
Yeah, this is the factory electric hydraulic pump. Well, when electronics and hydraulics are being used, they create heat. So then they shut down. We added a cooler to a system that doesn't even have a cooler. And this mounts right underneath the main cross member.
So the liquid or oil cooled or?
It's oil cooled.
Oil cooled.
And it's air cooled. So the fins are on the outside.
Yeah.
They're also on the inside too.
Okay. Well, that's exactly what we need for our OR Xtreme JL.
And check this out. Here's one in action. Excuse me, sir.
This is a 40-inch Nitto. Let's check that out again. Well, That's as simple as it
Yeah.
gets, right?
And it'll never come up because when you screw it down,
It gets locked in.
it gets locked in place. Yeah.
So it's preset?
No.
It's too fast to preset. So you still have to use your gauge to get it right.
Well, I appreciate you walking us through this
Yeah, no
product
problem.
line, and looking forward to maybe trying out some Apex Performance products on our Jeep JL.
Awesome.
Where can we learn more about Apex Performance products?
Right here.
Join the pack. All right.
Give us a howl.
ApexDesignUSA.com.